Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, here again. My chickadee, it's here. Come on, chick, come on. Over here, sweetheart, come on. Come on, honey, come on. Yeah, don't. Come on, honey, come on. Over here. So today guys, it's snowing. Probably we got like 3 inches so far. It's snowing last night, and my chickadee are pretty hungry guys, because every day I think every day we have a very tough this winter. This winter it seems like it's been cold. Okay, it's been cold, like it's like -10, -11, you know, it's like that's pretty cold. Okay, in New Hampshire, because we're in New Hampshire, we're in north, you know, right? North New Hampshire. So we got more snow here than there's other part of state also that they got more snow too, but here it's like a daily life, you know. You have to be used to it, you know. So yeah, that's what we shout out pala sa lahat kong mga viewer, follower. Thank you so much guys for following me on my reel. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video, like and subscribe.